Welcome to back to my channel. Want to share links, videos, images, or notes between your PC and phone effortlessly? Let me show you how to enable my Flow in Opera GX, a seamless way to keep everything in sync across your devices. Let's dive in. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Look for the My Flow icon in the sidebar. It looks like a little paper airplane. If you don't see it, don't worry. Here's how to enable it. Click on Icon Settings in Sidebar section. Scroll down to My Flow is your personal space for links, videos, images, and notes that you want to have on your computer and phone at the same time. And toggle on My Flow. Once you see the icon, click it. Now, a QR code will appear. Open the Opera GX app on your phone. Tap My Flow and scan the QR code. This securely connects your devices. And that's it, you're all set. With MiFlow enabled, you can now share links, videos, images, and even notes between your PC and phone. Simply drag and drop items into the MyFlow panel, and they'll instantly appear on your mobile. Now you know how to enable MyFlow and keep your content perfectly synced. If this video helped, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time!